Hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another vlog, and one today from Kolmården in Sweden. And yeah, we've actually been here already a couple of hours. I didn't film an intro when we arrived, so we were in a bit of a hurry to get to the back of the park.
A long ass walk to Wildfire.
He ain't wrong, that is a long ass walk. Don't underestimate it. About 20 minutes, and terrain as well. Terrain that will kick your ass. So.
And you're going uphill for pretty much all of it.
But walking to the back of the park aside, seems like it's worth it, guys, because Wildfire is pretty damn good.
It's pretty damn good.
It really is. So we've had 2 rides. I'm going to go on and get some more before I give my final verdict on it, but we are liking this ride a lot. It is...
Yes. We do have a candidate for best wood coaster of the trip.
And we're going back around again. So this will be my 3rd ride. I've done a row 11 and a row 12 so far. And like I say, it's a really damn good ride. Feels very similar to Outlaw Run. I'm just trying to decide, really, whether I prefer this
Yeah, I think if we come in
or
tomorrow,
not. I mean, there are some differences. This is a bit bigger, certainly longer than Outlaw Run. But whether that length makes it a better ride or not, we're yet to decide, I think. It's does suffer a little bit from the pacing at the end, falls off a little bit, but the first half of that ride is stunning, and the views are amazing, so yeah. Anyway, whew, I'm out of breath from those stairs, so we'll get back on the ride, and I'll speak to you in a moment. Send it. Okay. Woo! Yo, let's go. Yeet. Such a good view up there, it's amazing.
yes, Wildfire.
Woo!
Wildfire.
Here we go. Pretty good for first thing in the morning,
Very
right?
nice.
Woo! Yeah, Wildfire. Spot on.
Hello. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, no problem.
Right.
I think this will be the last group.
Oh really? Yeah. Perfect.
Right, so we're on the backstage tour now of Wildfire. I'll give you my thoughts on the ride in a minute. But before that, there's some pretty awesome access we're being given here.
For the train?
Okay.
So by the switch track at the moment, it's pretty cool. Natural layers of wood. Pretty awesome. What do you think, man? How do you like Wildfire?
I think this may be my favorite RMC Woody. Now this is only one ride, so I need to
you
really
ridden-
sit with it a little bit. But
Have you ridden Outlaw Run and Lightning Run?
yes,
So I've only done Outlaw Run, so I've only got that to compare it to. So
well, definitely I will say in its current state, Lightning Rod is probably down towards the bottom, honestly.
I swear they just do this to tease us, Austin. They're like, we've got a second train, but you ain't going to see it on the track. No. So these are the Phase 1 RMC trains. The newer ones have got a double wheel assembly, but these ones just have a single one, so pretty cool. So it doesn't actually sit on the main wheels. It rests on the upstock wheels on a separate rail. So that's cool. Yeah, so that's the running wheel. It comes in on there.
Oh my gosh.
Very wrong places and very sad. Because the train was wrong.
I don't think Efteling's coaster collection is better than this.
Efteling's a lot bigger though.
One day I might have wanted one of them. Did they go to one train?
I can imagine so, yeah. trees there right when it's going to come down the drop.
I didn't realize how high up that high barrel wall was. No wonder it's so slow. The hang time, it's really
Are you talking about the 0G stall or the second?
Ibex have well-adapted hooves that attach almost like suction plugs to the surface, which is perfect when they have to jump between rocks. Many of them are part of the zoo's international conservation program to save the species for the future. An example is the highly endangered Grevy's zebra. They are threatened in nature by shrinking habitats.
They've got indoor places for them to go anywhere. They would all die otherwise. Yeah. Way too cold.
I feel like there's probably not a whole lot of the year that they could actually be out here.
An animal that is found in the Swedish forest but does not actually belong here is the fallow deer. The pear David's deer originates in wetlands in China, but has long been extinct in the wild. The species remains in zoos in several parts of the world. This has made it possible for the pear David deer to be reintroduced to China again. Now we will soon meet one of the world's most mythical and powerful animals, the African lion. Did you know that in the lion's pride, it is the females that hunt? Here in the zoo, the animal keepers make it challenging for the lions when they eat to stimulate natural behaviours and for mental and physical stimulation.
Yeah, that's not gonna do it. Cue the circle of life.
Now we are nearing the end of our safari, and we hope that the ride into the wilderness has been memorable and educational. We hope to see you soon again. When the doors open, go out carefully.
Alright, row 11. Woo! There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Woo! 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 Yeah. Significantly, or?
Yeah.
Right, so we're just wrapping up what's been sort of 2 days, 2 visits to Kolmården,
Right.
an afternoon and a morning, ERT sessions at both, and it's been a pretty fantastic time here, to be honest.
It has. It's a really nice place. I almost wish we had more time to explore the entire park. Because it's quite big.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge and it's really hilly, guys. If you're going to come here, be prepared to walk up some hills because
Oh, yeah.
that is a long. I've heard people say it's a long way back to Wildfire. And not only is it a long way, it's arduous. It is up and down and back up again. So
Yeah, bring your hill shoes.
yeah, absolutely. But yeah, the park's pretty spectacular, really. It seems like all the animal enclosures are really big as well, so the animals have, you know, the space that they need. Because some zoos you kind of
Very
can
tight.
be a bit depressing, right?
Yeah.
But not this one. Really good. I'm impressed. And it's almost like you treat it as a zoo and you get Wildfire as a bonus. So
It
That's
kind
a
of
nice
feels
bonus,
that way, right?
right?
It really doesn't make sense why
it
this
really
ride's
doesn't
here.
make sense at
But
all.
we're very glad that it is.
We are. And yeah,
Please.
we got like 22, 24. I don't know. I think I got 11 rides today. I lost count yesterday. I think I got up to like 13,
Yeah,
14.
certainly
so
more than 20.
We certainly got a good feel for that ride, and I think it's better than Outlaw Run. I think it's probably the best topper track out there.
I would say so, yes.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, like I say, if you've enjoyed this vlog, we'll see how it comes together, because again, I haven't really done a whole lot of filming, but we'll work something out.
Figure it out.
We'll figure it out later, right?
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the vlog, like, share, subscribe, all that good fun stuff. Until next time, guys, enjoy the ride. Woo!